Hi there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over to XAUUSD.com. And the reason you've clicked this video today is you want to know more information how I can make the bold claim how my service, Forex Signal Service, can guarantee making you a minimum of 900 pips every 90 days. So before we get into the video, I must warn you, I am Irish. I have a strong Irish accent. I'm from a small town in the north of Ireland called Hollywood. And if you're a golf fan, if you've heard of the golfer called Rory McIlroy, we are from the same small town. Okay. Also, my threes sound different. I assure you, when I'm saying the number 6, I'm not talking about sex. And when I say the number 8, honestly, I'm not trying to eat you. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to show you my results from the Signal service so far. We track everything in our service. Unlike other services out there, everything is tracked. You can track our MyFX book account by clicking the link above. I'll give you an Excel file of every single trade we have placed with our Signal service. Everything's tracked. What you're not going to get in this video is we're not going to flash wads of cash at you, flash fake. You see a lot of these fake gurus out there flashing wads of cash, posting huge trades that they've taken, huge, like, what do you call it, £5,000-10,000 profitable trades that they've taken. What you're going to get in this video is simply honest results. We track everything. We're going to show you our results. Okay, that's it. We're not going to flash you gimmicks, okay, because results speak louder than words. Okay, you can track every trade we've placed on MyFX book. Below you will see, below in sales page here, you will actually see comments from people who have used the service, the results they're getting from it. Yeah, everything in this video is just upfront. We track everything. We're not going to give you no gimmicks, flashy cars, things like that there. I'm a real trader. I make real money trading, and I'm going to show you my results. That's it. Okay, so we're going to get into it, and here we go. Okay, so this is the Signal page that you can track. This is the new account 2 months ago with IC Markets, okay? And you can see we're up 32%. Okay, if you want to track the old account, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll be able to track the old account. Okay, everything, like I said, everything's up front and tracked. No gimmicks, no nothing, just pure results, okay? So pip count so far, like I said, we've made around 11,742 pips since last August. Okay, everything's tracked, and you can see each month here. Okay, you will notice also, I will try and speak a little bit slower. Like I said, I do have an Irish accent, and believe me, you 7 years ago, you would not have been able to understand me. Okay, so my accent has slowed down a bit due to traveling. Okay, so you can see, like, the holiday period months, like this year, April, we had Easter. December, our results tend to lower a little bit. July, just basically because the low volatility in the markets and market behavior. So one of the things I do to combat this is I lower my trade size in and around those periods. And once we're over the holiday period, I will increase it back up to normal. Okay, so that's something to expect when signing up for the service. If it's around the holiday period, it's better to wait till after the holiday period. Okay, so then you'll get the best results. Okay, each month, last month, or May here, it's May 2020, we made around 1,000 pips. Okay, the best month this year, okay, was March, 1,850 pips, and the best month all time was last August, nearly 2,300 pips. Okay. Our win ratio, now personally, win ratio in Forex doesn't really mean a lot in trading in general. Okay, risk management is key. Although we do have a high win ratio, you will notice that our biggest month of the year was in March, and was also our lowest win ratio month. Okay, so win ratio in Forex, I promise you, it means nothing. Okay, all these people that promote 90-95% success rate is just a gimmick. Win ratio is not a big thing in Forex or trading in general. If you heard of the trader Les Dennis, the famous turtle trader, when he created the Turtle Traders, he turned $400 into something like $200 million, and his win ratio was something like 10%. 90% of his trades lost. Okay, so again, win ratio in Forex means nothing. Risk management, controlling your risk. Okay, and best way to control your risk is know your numbers and track everything. That's why I'm showing you how we track our accounts here. Okay, total trades we've sent for the service so far, 260. Wins is 178. Losses is 82. Okay, we do have losing weeks, losing days. Okay, it's part of the game. Okay, win ratio around 70%. Total pip gained, I'll have to update that, but it's 11,742. Average monthly is around 1,100 pips. Average week around 340. Average trade around 79 pips. Okay, this would have been your results if trading from last year. Trading on a recommended trade size, controlling our risk. 5k account would be around 11,000 now based off our signals. Okay, largest drawdown this year, it happened in the flash crash in March, start of March. We had a drawdown of 9%. Okay, by the end of that week we made it back up, but our largest drawdown is around 9%. Our largest finished week drawdown is around 3 to 4%. Okay, and again, we track everything, we know our numbers. So if you want to lower your drawdown, you just lower your trade size. If you're happy with a bigger drawdown, you just increase your trade size. Completely up to you. I recommend sticking to what I recommend in this spreadsheet, okay, when you actually sign up for the service below. Okay, so as you can see, we track everything, and that is how I can make the bold claim that I can guarantee a minimum of 900 pips every 90 days, because we actually make a minimum of 1,000 every month. Okay, so that's the reason I can make the bold claim. We track everything, everything's tracked, we know our numbers, and that's why we can be able to offer that service. So how does the service work, you might be asking? Okay, so each Sunday we trade weekly trades. We don't send signals out daily unless I post them in a Telegram group. What happens is I send you an email on a Sunday afternoon or Sunday morning, depending where you are in the world, and you will receive a spreadsheet like this with the trades for the week ahead. Okay, that's it. You'll receive this in an email. You also receive the Excel file where you can track your results. Okay, so what you need to do if you are in the West, i.e. America or UK or Europe, what you will need to do when the markets open on a Sunday evening, okay, we enter our trades 1 to 2 hours after the markets open, so we don't get caught in weekend gaps or the huge spreads which kind of happen around the open on a Sunday evening. Okay, we put them in 1 to 2 hours after the market opens. Okay, that's it. You enter all trades into your platform. All trades as pending orders. Okay, you don't just pick and choose what trades you want to take. You simply put all trades in. We trade as a basket of currencies. We put them all in. We spread our risk across all the trades. That allows us to get the best results and control our risk the best way possible. Okay, so when we close the trades, we close them on a Friday evening around 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, unless I say otherwise in the Telegram group. Okay, so when you sign up for the service by clicking the link below, you will get an email with a link to join our Telegram group, where you can post your results and access the trades that if I send extra trades throughout the week, I will post in the Telegram group. I also post when and if I'm closing trades early, so you're able to get the best results possible. Otherwise, if there's no message in the Telegram group to close the trades, you can either close when you reach the minimum weekly target, the average weekly target, which is around 200 to 300 pips, or simply close all your positions on a Friday evening, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Or if you're in Asia, you can close them a little bit earlier, unless I say otherwise in the Telegram group. Okay, so that's it. There is a copy service. Okay, a trade copy service also. You can click the link below for more information on it. That is just basically me sending the trades to you, copying them onto your platform. I open them, I close them, just basically trading for you if you don't have the time to sit at the screen or have your phone or look at the messages. Okay, so that's completely automated service for you. Like I said, our service, we're completely upfront with everything. We track everything. We're real traders. A lot of experience in the Forex markets, over 10 years now. And I track, all my results are tracked. You can see the testimonials below of results our clients have been getting. And yeah, we guarantee a minimum of 900 pips every 90 days. And by watching this video, you can see why, okay? No gimmicks, no nothing, just pure results, and everything is tracked. So if you want to join our service, simply click the link below. If you have any questions, just simply send me a message at will@xaus.com or PM me on my Facebook page. I always answer, and yes, it is me you're speaking to all the time. Okay, so sign up now. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the group. Click the link, sign up, and looking forward to bagging some pips. Okay, so see you soon. Will over to fxace.com.